Happy All Saints Day. So I'm going to the Jollibee.
You are dead to me, 'cause what you said to me cut so deep.
Happy All Saints Day. So I'm going to the Jollibee. I'm heading towards Jollibee fast food restaurant. Ano lang ako doon. Ay, sorry. Tawag nito, maki wifi or while waiting for my friend. So, yan. Wala akong ngayon foundation. Something's wrong with my teeth. So, hindi ako pwede magsalita ng medyo halatang halata, diba? So, nasa Seoul tayo. It's been a long time since I made a video again. Just for a little, bit of updates for my YouTube channel. So, ayan. Wala kasing storage din ng cellphone. So, ayan na yung Jollibee, guys. Papasok tayo sa may Jollibee ngayon. So, hindi lang naman mga Pilipino yung kumakain dyan. There are different nationalities also na kumakain. So, ipapakita natin. Jollibee. So, that's Jollibee, guys. So, just, an update. So, papasok tayo sa Jollibee. Ayan. Tirar pala, tirar. Sa taas tayo. I don't know. May sa taas. Anyway. Sana may dito, bakante. I think meron namang vacant. Hindi yung ano lang. Ito lang.
Ang kailangan niya, may rice ito din with corn beef. Bitin yung
Only
rice
Filipino
namin.
knows.
Fresh yan. Fresh from Takwal. Lamig na.
Binidyo, inano ko nga din eh. Okay na.